What up, y'all? Today we are changing the oil. This will be a quick video, I think. Hopefully it will be. I don't have a ton of space on my storage card. Just gonna change the oil on the first gen. Let's do it. Okay, oil pan right there. Pull this little cap off. Alright, so it's a 17 millimeter. Just gonna do the old taker off deal. There it is. It was real snug. Real snug. Nice. Too much oil, way too fast. Oh, there's a hole here for it. There we go. Nice. So the good news is that this strong magnet ain't got nothing on it. And it's a strong magnet. Yeah. Considering nothing is coming out, I'm just gonna leave that there. That's a nice bolt. Alright, so what we're gonna do is take the air breather off so we can get to the filter. And should be fairly simple. I'm just gonna take this wrench and undo it. Nice. So whoever had this on there definitely was smart enough not to over tighten it. I know it's not the best view right there, but it is what it is, boys. Okay. Here's the one that was on it, an HP 4003, just so you can have the part number. Pretty good filter, I think. I don't think I bought one that was any better. But what I do with these, I just kind of check and see what's in it. Any metal, no glitter look. Everything looks fine. And then of course just put this in your oil pan too. I just dump it out right there, boys. Okay, so it's been draining for a bit. I got this STP extended life 10,000 mile, which I never used for 10,000 miles in the first place. Just change them every 3. You're better off that way. But anyway, so got this new one. How you're gonna do this is I got this Rotella 15W40. Apparently this is the good stuff. I'm not sure. But you do it, you fill this puppy up, and oh shoot, I'll just show you. All right, so you just sit here and fill it. It'll fill up to the top real quick, and then it'll go back down. Just let it drink your oil away. What you don't want to do is get the whole side oiled up so you can not twist it on very easily. Okay, so I think it's ready for its final fill. Alright, it's pretty well filled up. Now just take some oil, run it around the seal so it seals nice, and she's ready to go on. Alrighty. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. Don't cross thread it. Definitely don't want to do that. Alright, it should just go on nice. Just like that. Alright, so I'm going to put the plug back in. We're going to fill it up. So the truck takes 12 quarts. Not 12 liters, which I originally thought. It takes 12 quarts. And I'm looking for a funnel. I didn't use one for the first one, and I didn't like the way it was working out for me. Wasted money all over the place. But anyway. Find a funnel, find a funnel, find a funnel. Here we go. That doesn't look too good. None of these look great, but I'm gonna get some brake cleaner and clean them out. Don't let dirt get in your oil. All right, another gallon. Supposedly it takes 12 quarts, so that's 3 gallons. I'm not doing my math wrong, I don't think. So I think I spent a total of like $58. Boom. There it is. We'll let that sit for a second. 3 gallons. 60 bucks down the drain. She needed it. It's a great truck. I'm actually super pleased with this truck. It's not a smart financial decision for me to sell it, but if I sell it for the right price and I can try to find another truck that's as good. I mean, you just never know. You'll never know when you're gonna get a lemon. And I know that this truck is rust free and runs great, so it's definitely worth every penny that I paid, and it'll be worth every penny someone else pays. Even if you pay 8 grand, you still cannot get a truck guaranteed good for 8 grand. Like, there's just always that unknown factor, but at least for me, I know that right now, right here, I have this truck. It's proven. I've driven it a lot. Great truck, no issues. So there was one time my filter got clogged. That would have made good footage, but I didn't bring my camera. I'm assuming you all know how to check the dipstick, so I won't show you that. All right, let's start her up. I'm just gonna let it run for a minute and then let it sit, and then I'm gonna check the oil level again, and then we should be good. Simple, easy. I haven't seen a video of first gen oil change, and it's the same as a 96 12 valve, everything else. You might just have different stuff in the way. You just pull it out of the way. Put your filters on the same side. Oil pan might be a little different depending, but this is fairly simple. I have a great truck. So if you're new to the channel, this was just a quick little video, but I have other ones that are kind of funny. Some of them are just very boring. And I'm gonna start YouTubing again here, and this time maybe for real, but I don't know. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. This was an easy little how-to. Post more how-to videos if you want. I do exterior construction, landscaping, such things like that. So if you want to see different things like that on how to make your yard look better for cheap, how to make your house look better for cheap, let me know. I'll do a video. All right, guys, catch you on the next one. Oh.